without that, without highlighting. But here in channel, now let's change it. Also make sure we can press D to just we'll just reset, right? We can actually try 50%. This will copy it from the original 50%. Let's go to edit now, fill, and then copy the foreground. And okay, it's 50 here, and then press command and select this. Okay. Now let's go back and click here and just try again oil painting. And that's okay. Now we have a oil painting, and sorry, here I can go and have different variations. But if you want, we can try here like some pencil, drawing pencil. Click on this. Doesn't really look like a pencil drawing. Painting. Let's try this. I can also try like marker pens. Or let's try, I think I'm gonna try another one. It's like the pixel. Okay, that's actually not bad. Looks nice, and also we have different variations here. Okay, this one looks kind of realistic, like a kid would do. This one is nice. And now let's try the mosaic art, or pixel art actually. Let's try pixel art first. Okay, I'm thinking of a graphic pen sketch. Not bad, not bad.